The Power of Vulnerability is a heartwarming story that follows the journey of Emma, a successful businesswoman who appears confident and composed on the surface. However, beneath her polished exterior, Emma struggles with deep-rooted insecurities and a fear of showing vulnerability. As the story unfolds, Emma's insecurities begin to affect her personal and professional relationships. She avoids opening up to others, fearing judgment and rejection. Despite her achievements, she feels disconnected and unfulfilled. One day, Emma crosses paths with Maya, a wise and empathetic mentor who recognizes Emma's inner struggle. Maya shares her own experiences with vulnerability and guides Emma towards understanding its transformative power. Through heartfelt conversations and gentle encouragement, Maya helps Emma realize that vulnerability is not a weakness but a strength. Emma gradually starts opening up to trusted friends and family, sharing her fears, doubts, and aspirations. As she embraces vulnerability, she experiences a deeper sense of connection and authenticity in her relationships. She discovers that when she allows herself to be vulnerable, others feel more comfortable being vulnerable around her, fostering genuine connections and support. With newfound confidence, Emma takes risks in her career, expressing her innovative ideas and embracing the possibility of failure. Surprisingly, her vulnerability and authenticity resonate with her colleagues and clients, leading to greater trust and collaboration. Throughout the story, Emma learns that vulnerability is the key to personal growth, resilience, and meaningful relationships. She realizes that by embracing her insecurities and allowing herself to be seen fully, she can inspire others to do the same. The Power of Vulnerability is an inspiring tale that highlights the importance of embracing vulnerability, overcoming insecurities, and fostering genuine connections in our personal and professional lives. It encourages viewers to reflect on their own barriers to vulnerability and invites them to embark on a journey towards self-acceptance, growth, and deeper connections with others. Through this story, Mindful aims to empower individuals to recognize the power of vulnerability and its transformative impact on their lives.